Hey guys, welcome to Neptune Design. I'm Devin and I'll be taking you through how to create a landing page in under 10 minutes. Okay, now before I get started, I'm going to start this video off with a couple assumptions. Okay, my first assumption will be that you have your own domain and hosting sorted out already, and I'm going to assume that you already have WordPress on your domain set up. Okay, so those are my three assumptions. Okay, so let's get started off with a landing page. Now, some of you might be saying, Devin, I've heard about landing pages and people talking about landing pages. I don't know exactly what a landing page is. Okay, so put very simply, a landing page is simply a website page that allows you to collect contact information from a client or from a website visitor so that you can start the sales process off and start talking to that client or communicating with that client about your product or about your service. So basically, it's just a page that collects an email address or that starts the sales process for you. Okay, so to give you an example of a perfect landing page, I'm going to go to Shopify's website, and this is their landing page. And as you can see, there's no navigation whatsoever, and there's no footer whatsoever. There's two links here, but there's no big footer whatsoever. It's simply a page to collect your email address so they can start their selling process. And if you see the call to action here says start free trial, the call to action at the bottom there says start free trial as well. Now, you don't want to make your landing page too long because some of your traffic might be coming from mobile, and if it does come from mobile, you don't want the client to scroll and scroll and scroll down just to get to the point of the page. That's why you need to make your landing page as short and as sweet as possible. Okay, so you get to the point, you collect the email address. That's it. That's the point of a landing page. Okay, so what I'm going to be using to build this landing page is I'm going to be using a software called Elementor. Okay, so I'll leave the link for Elementor in the description below. Now, you can either take the free version of Elementor or you can take the paid version of Elementor. Both work equally as well. The only cool thing about the free or the paid version of Elementor is you get extra templates. You get the ability to put a pop-up on your website, and you get the ability to build more advanced contact forms and more advanced links, and that's about it. So that's a decision that's up to you whether you want the free or the paid one. I'll leave that decision up to you. Okay, so going back to dashboard, some of you might be wondering what theme I'm using. I'm going to go to themes. Now, the theme that I'm currently using is Wordpress, but you guys are more than welcome to use 2017, 2019, 2018, the standard WordPress themes, the free ones. You're more than welcome to use that. They work perfectly well with Elementor. The reason why I chose Wordpress is it makes it much easier to create full width websites, and that's basically the layout of my website. So that's why I went with Wordpress. Okay, so you're going to go to plugins, and then you're going to go to add new. Okay, and then I want you to search your plugins and I want you to type in Elementor. Okay, once you see Elementor Page Builder, I want you to click on install, and then I want you to click on activate. Okay, now I've already got mine installed, so I'm going to go to my installed plugins and I'm just going to activate it over there. Okay, so it's been activated. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to pages and I'm going to say add new, because that's what we want to do. We want to add a new website page. Okay, once I'm in the add pages section, I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. That's going to take me through to the front end Elementor interface, and the Elementor is just like any other web builder that you would find on the internet. It's very easy. It's got a drag and drop interface. It's extremely easy to use. Okay, the first problem I have here is that my website header or my website navigation menu and my website footer is appearing, and obviously we don't want that. We want something nice and clean. Okay, so you're going to click on the settings in the bottom left corner. You're going to go to page layout and you're going to click on Elementor Canvas. So what that does is it gives you a completely blank canvas to work with. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on this little folder, and that's going to give us a whole bunch of pages, but we just want landing pages. And guys, if you type in landing pages, oh, no results, I must have typed in something wrong. If you type in landing page, all of these landing page, landing page, landing page, landing page, landing page, landing page, as you can see, there is a hell of a lot of variety. And yeah, you guys will knock yourself out and choose whichever one matches your service or product. I'm going to choose this one because I think it looks cool. Okay, and I'm going to say insert. Okay, and this basically gives us our landing page. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to swap out everything here with my own images, my own logo, my own call to actions, and that's about it. So this is an extremely easy way to build a landing page. Can be done in under 10 minutes. You don't need a web designer and you don't need a web developer. You can do this all by yourself. And guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to Neptune Design, or you can visit us on our website if you're looking for any Google Analytics conversion tracking, or if you want anything to do with marketing your business. Visit us at neptunedesign.co.za. This is Devin. Have a great day.